Pigmentation on your face can be a tricky issue, often resulting from sun exposure, hormonal shifts, genetic predispositions, or inflammation. Although it's key to seek a dermatologist's expert opinion for a thorough diagnosis and treatment, you can explore some homemade remedies that might assist in reducing pigmentation. First up is sunscreen, then aloe vera gel. Next, consider the benefits of lemon juice. Turmeric paste is another potent remedy, followed by a refreshing papaya mask and a soothing yogurt mask. Don't overlook the humble potato slices or the antioxidant-rich green tea extract. Oatmeal scrub and almond oil are great for exfoliation and hydration. Lastly, licorice extract can help lighten dark spots. Always conduct a patch test before trying out a new remedy and stop its use should you encounter any irritation. Patience and consistency are key with these remedies. And remember, if pigmentation issues persist or worsen, promptly consult a dermatologist.